Hey, VIPs. Uh, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know what the time is like when you're watching this. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm Christy. This vlog is an emotional one because this is the first vlog I will be doing, like filming after hitting 1K subscribers. Like, I can't believe it. We are 1K stronger. See, you guys don't know how happy, how motivated, how encouraged this new feat made me. Like, to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. I don't know how to thank you. I do not know, really. Like, I swear, I don't know how to thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hmm. Anyway, today is going to be like a chill day. You guys already saw when I had breakfast. I had bread and egg. What's that kind of bread even called, Seth? I don't know what it's called, but I just like toasted it in a pan. That was all I did. So what was I saying before? So today is going to be a chill day. You already saw what I had for breakfast. After that, I did laundry, then had my bath, and I'm here just chilling in my 90s. I wanted to form cozy today. Nepa just they just surprised me. They were like, surprise. Normally, they're supposed to take the light like maybe 5 p.m. or even 6 or 7, but they took it by 12 today. I don't know what the issue is. I just hope it hasn't gone bad. I just really hope so, because I hope to film tomorrow. Like, let it not be that this light has gone bad, because I need lights to charge. I have my ring light batteries here. Though, after the last time I used them, I charged these batteries, sha. But I just like always to just plugging it in. You see that 1K, like, guys, hitting 1K subscribers, it's still so surreal. As in, that video is doing so well. My viral video about hitting 500 subscribers after I posted every day. That video did. I never expected that video to do so well. Like, I never expected it. And it's funny how I almost did not film that video that day because I was exhausted. That day I filmed like 4 content. I was so tired. So I wanted to like just leave it for the next day. Who knows? Maybe if I had left it the next day, maybe what I would then say the next day might not like appeal to the viewers like it did that day. I just tried and decided to film it. I don't know if you get what I mean. But I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to God for giving me insight to film that video. Like, you guys don't understand this YouTube thing. Who give up nine lose last. So according to one of my viewers, she commented. She was like, "Who give up nine lose? Oh, seriously, guys, don't give up. This is an encouragement to small YouTubers to not give up, even if like it's looking like your subscribers are not moving. You're just stuck on 250, 300, whatever subscriber count for a long time. Just keep posting. You might just be one video away. I'm going to do a dedicated video for hitting 1K subscribers. I wanted to buy this 1K balloon thing, but right now I don't think I can get it, and I feel like it's as past time. Like, I should just chill and just let it be. But I don't know. Somehow in my mind, I want to do it. At the same time, I feel like not again. Like, I've already received so many congratulations from you guys. Thank you so much. I see your congratulatory messages. It means so much to this small girl. Thank you. I cannot stop saying thank you. This intro is looking so long already. Let me stop talking. I'll be filming tomorrow. I'll be filming content tomorrow. I might probably film this celebrating 1K subscribers tomorrow. And yes, I'm also worried about another thing. Like, since that video did well, I've done two follow-up videos still talking about YouTube growth. Now I don't know, like you, my new audience, if I keep like I'm going to keep posting makeup and lifestyle, but what I'm worried about is how my new subscribers are going to be reacting to my normal makeup and lifestyle videos, because that's what my channel has been about. I just decided to out of nowhere film and post that video that went viral. So I don't know, like it's just like this. I'm low key worried, like would I be able to keep up like talking about YouTube growth, because I know that is why um that's why 1K of you are here now. That's why the new subscribers, that's why you guys are here, because you found value in that video, and of course you want more of those kind of videos. But that is not really what I'm into. It's just really quite funny. Sure. I know some people wouldn't mind, they'll just go on with other things they post, but I'm worried about the kind of engagement I'm going to start having on my other content, like if I just keep going with my lifestyle and makeup. So I don't know, you guys probably give me suggestions in the comment sections of the kind of videos, like give me ideas, because I honestly don't really know so much about this YouTube growth thing and all of that. There are some persons that their channels are just dedicated to it, but mine is not. So just like if you happen to come across this vlog, please just tell me in the comment section, and like, okay, why don't you film about this? Why don't you film about this, like concerning the YouTube growth? Like, what do you guys want to see? I'm so confused right now. Like, what do you want to see? I did not intend to make my channel about beauty, lifestyle, and YouTube and growth. When I was looking like it's headed that direction. So you guys just let me know, Sha, what do you want to see? If you want more YouTube growth tips like that one, tell me exactly what you want. Like, why don't you talk about this or talk about that? And if you engage in my lifestyle and makeup content, please just let me know too. Like, it's okay, I'm still going to watch your other kind of content. If I know that's not why you're here, but that's it, Cha. I just wanted to come on here and just talk. This is a very, very long intro. So I think after now, you're probably not going to be seeing me talking. You might not be seeing me talking. I'm home alone today. Hobby traveled. So guys, that's it. See you later when I'm probably trying to pick outfits or reading a book, or when Blessing comes here to say hi. Bye. So for wigs, these are my two options, either this or this. If I end up wearing the turtleneck, I'll use this and just pack it back and just make it sleek. Then if I'll be wearing the polka dot, I think I'll go with this. This is a wig I wore for the viral video. Hopefully, if I wear it, maybe to go viral, this video will go viral again. Like the video I want to film with it. I'm just saying. Anyway, Sha, that is it. So for outfits, since it's a video dedicated to YouTube somewhat, I was thinking of doing either this or this. So maybe this. I just like this turtleneck, like I never get to wear it out, and like because of our weather here, like it's most times hot. So I was thinking let me just utilize it for a video. So maybe this or this. But I'm kind of gravitating towards this more because of the red and white thing. I know YouTube is like red and white ish. So I don't know. This is more wine than red. So maybe actually this sha. Fingers crossed. Till tomorrow.